Now let's see what is thread tab in part design. Let's open CATIA. So let's create part design, part document. Before using that, let's have small block. So select the sketch, select the sketch support. Let's draw a simple rectangle and then exit, pad, select the pad command, select the profile, click OK. So we have the pad now. As we know that when you use hole option, there are a lot of options available in the hole. We can create threaded hole, tapped hole, and different other options are available. And what it is, thread and tap. So what is the tool? This is the tool. We see thread and tap. So how to use it and when to use it? What is the prerequisite? To use this, we should have a hole which is already created. From there, we can apply the thread. So now let's make a simple hole without any thread definition, and then let's try to use this one. Let's create a hole. So this is diameter 10 and blind, let's keep up to last. So now we have a simple hole which is created with diameter 10 mm. And so when you come here, so there is just a hole, and now I want to apply thread for this whole feature. So it's a lateral face, it's nothing but, so the selected face belongs to hole. We recommend you to use hole command to tap a hole. So here the option is selected tap. So we don't want to create tap, we want to create thread for it. Select the thread and the face is selected, and limiting face. So this is the limiting face. And so what is the thread depth we want? You can increase or decrease it, and you can just click OK. And so there is a type, which type we want to create. So we want to create metric, so M10 is created. Since we have created 10 mm dia hole and M10 is taking, so let's try to change a different size. So is that taking? So the thread nominal diameter must be equal. So we have given more than the whole diameter, so it is not possible, system will not give. So we have to change it to M10 and then preview. Okay. See why I have to use this thread option when I have thread option in hole itself. For instance, this file is created in some other software and we have received just step file or IGS. In that case, instead of closing this hole and creating hole by using hole option, we can directly go and use the thread and tap option, and we can apply the thread and we make use it of in the drawing. So here when you come, so under the thread we have diameter, depth and pitch is available. So now let's save this document without the thread option and let's see the difference in the drawing. Let's remove this thread, and so this is just a 10 mm hole, or else we'll go with, no, we'll just go with the same thing. File, save as, step file, and it's a part 1. So let me close this file. And just open from the desktop, just drag and just bring it on the CATIA. Now let's create drawing for this component. Go to start menu, mechanical design, drafting. So just go with the default blank, and let's create a view. Let's go with front view and select the file. Okay, let's go to property and see view. We have thread option and center line, just enable. Okay, there is nothing, because no thread is applied, because it is created, created just simple hole, blind hole is created, but I want to represent this as M10. So let's go back to drawing. So try to create thread. So it is not recognizing, no thread is applied, but we can create this diameter. So this is dia 10. Now how to apply thread to this? What option we can use it? In this scenario, we can use the thread tap option. So we can just come thread. So just a warning. So we want to create a thread. This is the face and limiting, and you can see the thread diameter is 11. I want to use the standard. So we can choose M10. So diameter support value is 10. Value recommended by you is standard is 8.3. So M10. So I just want to create a thread, and it is done. You can see it in the specification tree. We will come to drawing and update it. Update the view, and now you can see select the. So now you see the difference. We get it M10. So this is the advantage or use of thread and tap option in CATIA V5. I hope this session gives you clarity how to use the thread tap option in CATIA V5. Thank you.